The system is turned up to 100% with no music playing, and I can just hear a little white noise. There is absolutely no humming whatsoever on these speakers. No humming. Absolutely no humming. Just a little white noise, which is pretty normal. And this is at 100%. And what you can the noise, the white noise start at about 70%, 68%. Don't hear anything. %, I can hear the white noise now, just barely coming out. Last week when I installed those XLR cable in the system sounded like this. At 100%, I could not hear anything. Now I just hear a little white noise. Before installing the XLR cables, I was getting all kind of hum from the system, all kind of hum. And I put those XLR cables in and plug out a lot of stuff, and I'm good. Okay, just wanted to do a follow-up video from last week where I was just playing music just for you to hear the system when I just installed those XLR cables. But now there is no music playing, and you can hear how quiet the system is. All right. See you later. Bye.